The Drop is an award-winning electric sauna heater made by HUUM and inspired by the purest element in nature, a drop of water. Now let's show you how to install the Drop. You have a heater and a wall mount, and all drop heaters have a heat shield built into the back of them. But if you have a 9 kilowatt drop, then you'll also have a heat reflector at the top. In addition, the things you'll need to buy separately are the control unit and the sauna stones. You'll also need a heat-resistant power cable, but your electrician can provide that because the length depends on the setup of your sauna. You'll first want to choose the right spot on the wall for your drop heater. For this decision, you need to balance up some safety considerations with some functional requirements and your own personal preferences. Let's start with the safety issues. Your drop manual from HUUM includes all the necessary safety distances from any combustible surfaces, like wooden walls, benches, and even the ceiling. In addition, think about where people have to walk around the heater, because we don't want anyone having to get too close when taking their seat. Next, think about the best spot for comfortably pouring water onto the drop. You'd ideally want to do that from a convenient seated position. Finally, consider which location is most visually appealing to you and best complements the look of your sauna. Heated stones are the heart of a sauna, so we like to think of Drop as a very functional work of art. Okay, let's get started. Here's Josep, our production manager here at HUUM, to demonstrate. First, you'll want to mark the spot on the wall where you will attach the wall plate. In your manual, all the safety distances you need have already been measured from your wall plate, not the actual heater, which will make it easier for you to double check now that it's in a safe location. By the way, most people would probably use a level to do this properly, but Josep is feeling pretty confident here. You'll then need 6 screws to fix it properly to the wall. Next, remove the protective film from the heater, and just for now, also remove the heat shield that protects the wall from overheating. Then, remove the cover of the electric box. You can then pull the cable through the heat shield back and through this rubber gland. You should then clean the ends of the cable and attach them to the heater. After that, screw the box cover back on and simply reattach the heat shield. Now the whole drop heater can be attached to the wall by simply hanging it onto the steel plate. You might be tempted to start adding stones next, but before that, you should switch it on just to make sure everything is connected properly. You'll know it's working when the heating elements glow red and emit heat. So the next stage will be installing the controller.